Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to install Claude Code in Docker. All right, let's begin. First, open Docker and access your MCP toolkit. From there, navigate to the Clients section where you will find options like Claude Code and Claude Desktop. You can choose either one depending on your setup, and both can be integrated into your Docker environment. Next, follow the provided setup instructions for Claude Code. Then, click on Connect to link Claude Code with Docker. If everything is set up correctly, Docker should automatically detect your Claude Code installation and establish the connection. If it doesn't connect immediately, restart Docker to ensure proper integration. After restarting, Claude Code will be connected within Docker's ecosystem through MCP. From here, you can begin using Claude Code alongside Docker-powered tools within your environment. So that's basically how you can install Claude Code in Docker. That's it for this video. Thanks.